What if I told you plants can do math in the dark? Every night, plants literally budget their food like tiny accountants so they don't starve before sunrise. Here's how it works. Plants make sugar during the day using sunlight through photosynthesis. They stash some of that sugar as starch, like saving leftovers for later. But nighttime is tricky. No sun means no new sugar. So how do they avoid running out before morning? They divide. Inside their cells, plants measure how much starch they have and how many hours of darkness are left. Then they divide those two numbers and release exactly the right amount per hour. If the night is longer, they slow the burn. If it's shorter, they spend a little faster. It's like a smart thermostat, but for food. Scientists tested this by suddenly changing the bedtime. When lights went off early, the plants immediately adjusted and stretched their starch through the longer night. When the night was shorter, they sped up. The result? By dawn, their stash was almost perfectly used up, not too much, not too little. The wild part is, what does the math? It's not a brain, it's chemistry. Signals inside the leaf act like variables in an equation, balancing sugar supply with the plant's inner clock. Think of tiny molecular counters ticking down the hours until sunrise. Why does this matter? This precision keeps the plant alive and growing at night, which adds up to bigger yields and healthier ecosystems. Understanding it helps farmers breed crops that handle long nights, cloudy days, or sudden weather changes. More efficient overnight budgeting means more growth with the same daylight. And here's a bonus surprise. Some plants even shift gears if you give them an unexpected snack of extra sugar at night. They adapt on the fly, proving the calculation is continuous, not a one and done. Nature is doing live math. So next time you see a houseplant by the window, remember there's a quiet all-nighter happening after sunset. Leaves are solving a food per hour problem with chemical equations, making dawn arrive right on budget. Want more everyday science that secretly blows your mind? Hit subscribe, drop a leaf emoji in the comments, and tell me your favorite plant. Share this with a friend who thinks math is only for humans. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.